So, should we give an example what that can be like?
I think we should.
Yes.
I notice denser energy in my chest and a sense of warmth and love, actually. Notice how I take a deep sigh as I say that.
I feel like a bubbling flame of power and joy.
Hearing you say that built some joy in my experience. I connected to that. I realized I was leaning into some kind of caretaking energy, as I noticed your nervousness before, which was very beautiful, but it also made me lean sort of forward and wanting to hold you or reassure you. And as you shared, you had this bubbly, powerful joy. It's just that all dissipated, and I felt more of the joy, connection to joy in me.
Almost like I feel our different power fields like this. It's a very grounding, powerful sensation.
Yeah, I'm just going. So here comes owning. I felt some nervousness in my upper body, being aware of the camera as I share. That turns me on. So you're turning me on when you say that.
I was just about to say that. But then I was aware of the camera.
And I was noticing in your face that you became aware of what I was going to share, or something within that vicinity.
I'm gonna own that. Your power turns me on.
And I'm becoming aware of the intimacy in knowing that you know what I am experiencing.
Yeah.
and so on, and I know that you know what I'm experiencing.
Moving on.
Moving on.